Well, the trader has lost a tremendous amount of money. Pretty much all its profits, and pretty sure it's in a loss. I haven't exactly checked the figures yet, but we will in a second. But it's really interesting. And it wasn't just one of my traders. I was running 3 traders at the time, the one which I call the cash account, and then 2 others, and they all lost money at about the same degree. That's extremely unusual. In fact, I've never seen it before. Okay, this is the summary for the account. As you can see, we're slightly below our starting point. We're about in a 1% loss right now. And this is the chart. This is what the chart looks like. Now, even though these results are terrible for my aspirations for the trader, what has happened to me looks very, very interesting. And I'll go over it right now. My traders are telling me that something unusual has happened, atypical if you will, but they don't tell me why, so I can't say why. I can only report what I've seen. I haven't investigated in depth. So in the British pounds, for example, last week, it would spend a little time just moving around like it normally does, and then suddenly it would shoot up. Then it would start coming down and just moving around like it normally does, and then suddenly it would shoot up again. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Okay, the reason why this is so interesting is because it's the US dollar. All other currencies are constrained by their own country. And the reason, for example, pound sterling go up and down compared to other currencies is because of the supply of pound sterling compared to the other currencies. So if the UK purchase a lot of imports and doesn't export to get other currencies, what happens is there's more and more UK pounds out there. And the only thing you can use UK pounds for is to buy UK products. So if you want to trade with the UK pounds are awesome. But other than that, they're not very useful. The US dollar is different because trade is done in US dollars. Everything is compared to US dollars. You can buy any product from any country using US dollars, or almost any country, because it's the accepted international currency. So what that means is the US cannot really flood the market with US dollars. It's not really possible because the demand for them is massive. It's huge. It's factors bigger than any other currency. So to have the currency fall as a whole, you have to imagine how that would happen. And I'm not certain what's happened here. I don't really know. One way is that the huge amounts of money has fled the US and gone into other currencies. My guess is there's very large amounts of capital moving, but I don't know for sure. The only other way I can think of for the US dollar to fall the way it has is for international central banks to agree for that to happen and then manufacture the fall of the US dollar. Here's the US dollar against gold. Here's the US dollar against the euros. Look at this. And here's the US dollar against the sterling. So my guess is something big has happened. Something big that we don't see. The symptoms, we see the symptoms, but I honestly don't think we see the cause. Personally, I wouldn't believe anything you really read at the moment because that will be someone's slant or someone's narrative. And something could be happening that they don't really want publicly known as well. This is all my guesswork at the moment, but I just find this very interesting. That's all I have to say for now. Now the videos are going to get very erratic in the next few weeks, largely because I have a major move coming up. And there's some uncertainty that's being developed because of, COVID-19. But I'll do my best. I did promise a video on austerity. I will do my best to get that out, but I'm not going to say when because this week has proven to me that I don't have as much control over my time as I thought I did. But anyway, thanks for watching and I hope you have a lovely day.